We are here back at Copperhead for kind of like the wedding weekend. Brought once again Declan, and this time Zach. Zach came all the way from Senegal from the military, so it's his first time here. Should be fun. We're gonna run a cold start bear solutions drill. 5, 5, slide lock reload, 3. Oh wait.
Alright.
Press the green button again.
Shooter, stand by. Contact.
Cold start, not very good. Start on this target, hit 2, through 2 left, missed one completely, center shot, and then 5 right here. All right, ready?
Yeah, hold on, I gotta...
Stand by. Did I miscount? I guess I did.
Fuck, I pulled that second one. 2, 4, 6. Two, 9, 6. Shooter, stand by. Eleven, 1, 3.
Good. Oh. Move, don't reload, just go.
Stand by.
Walk, walk, walk. All right, Zach just finished it. finished his course of fire. He did it with the M18. He finished with the 170 hit factor. I'm gonna do the same thing, use the SIG, but I'm gonna run from concealed.
All right, so this next drill Clint's gonna do, he doesn't know it before. He's never done it before, he doesn't know it. You're gonna do one shot in the middle target, then
Two shots left.
On the left, yeah, 2 shots. And then all the way on the right, you're gonna do 3 shots. Then in the middle, you're gonna do 4.
All right.
So it's a 1, 2, 3, 4. You got it? Okay.
Ready, Zach?
Shooter, stand by. .81. Hell yeah.
I think I was flopping around though. All right, for that course of fire, I did it in a 4.11.